In the gray light of dawn, as smoke still hung low over the battered landscape, Ukrainian FPV drones surged into action along a contested sector of the front line, tracking Russian infantry units attempting to flee the combat zone. What followed was a fast-moving and terrifying sequence of events that underscored how modern warfare has transformed the battlefield into a place where escape is increasingly difficult and every movement can be detected from the sky. According to Ukrainian sources, the Russian troops were retreating in small groups after sustaining heavy losses during overnight clashes. Exhausted and disorganized, they moved across open ground and shattered tree lines, hoping to slip away before Ukrainian forces could reorganize. However, unseen above them, FPV drone operators were already locking onto their movements, relaying coordinates in real time and preparing to strike. The FPV drones, piloted from concealed positions kilometers away, descended rapidly with a distinctive high-pitched whine. Unlike traditional artillery or airstrikes, these drones hunted their targets individually, weaving between debris and terrain features with chilling precision. Each operator guided their drone visually, adjusting course in seconds as fleeing soldiers changed direction in panic. Footage released by Ukrainian units shows Russian infantry scattering as the first explosions erupted nearby. Some attempted to dive into shallow craters or behind wrecked vehicles, while others ran in desperation across open fields. The drones followed relentlessly, exploiting every hesitation and misstep, turning what had been a retreat into a chaotic and deadly rout. Military analysts note that FPV drones have become one of Ukraine's most effective tools in denying the enemy safe withdrawal routes. Unlike larger drones or aircraft, FPVs are relatively inexpensive and difficult to detect, yet capable of delivering precise strikes against individual targets. In this engagement, they were used not just to destroy, but to psychologically break retreating forces.
Где там раз?
Ukrainian commanders described the operation as a coordinated effort between drone units, reconnaissance teams, and frontline troops. Observers on the ground fed information to drone pilots, ensuring no movement went unnoticed. This level of integration, they say, reflects how Ukraine has adapted quickly to the demands of a technologically driven conflict. For the Russian infantry caught in the open, the situation deteriorated rapidly. As one drone struck, others immediately adjusted to pursue survivors, leaving little time to regroup. The sense of being constantly watched and targeted from above added a layer of fear that many veterans describe as worse than traditional shelling, where the threat is less personal and less precise. The terrain itself offered little protection. Trenches had been destroyed in earlier fighting, and natural cover was sparse. FPV drones exploited this vulnerability, slipping through gaps where soldiers believed they were hidden. The battlefield, already scarred by weeks of fighting, became a deadly maze with no clear path to safety. Ukrainian officials emphasized that such operations are aimed at preventing enemy units from reconstituting and launching future attacks. By striking retreating troops before they can regroup, Ukraine seeks to reduce pressure on its own defensive lines and maintain momentum along key sectors of the front. The engagement also highlighted the growing importance of drone warfare training. Ukrainian FPV operators undergo intensive preparation, learning not only flight control but also target identification, coordination, and rapid decision-making under pressure. Their effectiveness in this incident demonstrated how skill and experience can be as decisive as numbers on the battlefield. International observers watching the conflict have increasingly pointed to FPV drones as a defining feature of the war. The scenes from this operation reinforce concerns about how quickly technology is accelerating the pace and lethality of modern combat, leaving soldiers with fewer places to hide and fewer chances to disengage safely. On the Russian side, the losses suffered during the attempted withdrawal are likely to have both tactical and morale consequences. Units that lose personnel while retreating often struggle to recover cohesion, and the knowledge that escape routes are actively targeted can weigh heavily on troops still holding the line. As the dust settled, Ukrainian forces secured the area, confirming that no organized Russian presence remained in the immediate zone. Drone teams continued to patrol from the air, scanning for any remaining movement, ensuring that the front line remained firmly under Ukrainian control. The incident serves as another stark reminder that in this war, the sky is rarely empty and rarely safe. FPV drones, once considered a niche capability, have become a constant and lethal presence, capable of shaping outcomes in minutes rather than hours. Ultimately, the dramatic destruction of Russian infantry fleeing the combat zone illustrates how the balance of power on the battlefield is increasingly determined by technology, coordination, and speed. For both sides, the lesson is clear. In modern warfare, retreat is no longer a guarantee of survival when the enemy controls the air just meters above the ground.